It's a beautiful day here in New York City, and I figure that I will dress the part as well, being very formal in front of camera. I hope you guys got to see the ALS video I did yesterday in response to one of my friends calling me out. And guess what? There is some good news. It's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed, and that's right, it's happy hour in New York City. Now, it's been a pretty strong day for U.S. stocks, trading higher on remarks from Russian President Vladimir Putin. But first, on the economic front, the Department of Labor reported a larger than expected increase in jobless claims to 311,000. But that wasn't the biggest mover of the day. The big mover of the markets was a speech in Crimea by Vladimir Putin. He went ahead and said that Russia will do everything in its power so that the conflict is ended as soon as possible, and so that the blood can stop flowing in Ukraine. His own quotes. He also says that Russia needs to consolidate and mobilize, but not for war or any kind of confrontation, but for the hard work in the name of Russia. Those comments, along with an extended ceasefire in the Middle East, helped pave the way for a boost in the U.S. markets early, and they remained there ever since. And over at the stock exchange, 2 stocks advancing for every decliner. And let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this Thursday. Meanwhile, on the earnings front, with earnings season officially winding down, Kohl's beating earnings, but it also fell short on revenue, while Walmart, that's right, posting earnings in line with expectations and also a rise in quarterly revenue. Meanwhile, of important note, Class A shares of Berkshire Hathaway, that passed $200,000 a share in price right after the opening bell today. And Cisco Systems again making headlines, moving lower in pre-market trade after the networking equipment maker reported earnings and revenue that beat estimates, but it also said it would cut about 6,000 jobs. That's nearly 8% of its total workforce. So there you have it. Guess what, guys? Tomorrow, Friday, one day removed until the weekend, and I desperately need to kick back, relax, and have myself a drink. And I'm sure people that work for Cisco, well, they need to relax as well too. And until tomorrow morning, from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.